Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. Libras. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have King of Air, Five of Earth, and Two of Fire. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Libras, today you are making some honest decisions. So it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You feel drawn to certain things, but you are avoiding that and making that right choice. Maybe in our life often we are inclined to some kind of a decision. Maybe it may be something which we are really passionate about, which we love to do, but truth may be something else. So the right thing may be something else. So today you are giving up your likes or dislikes and going for that right choice today, guys. Maybe it may be quite difficult, but that is the choice that is going to work wonders in your future. So you are seeing the truth in your situation, and you're choosing something that works well, that works best for you in your situation, guys. So for your career or relationship, that is what is going to work for you. And maybe you have a certain idea of what is going to work in your relationship, maybe, or even in your career situation. So you may have some kind of an expectations, but reality is something different. What you see in your practical life may be something different. But you need not worry, guys. What you see right in front of you may be much more better choices. So the offers that you are getting, or maybe in this relationship, you would have expected great qualities with this person, someone different, someone much better than the person you are in relationship with. But maybe sometimes our expectations may be too much, and it may not be real, guys, and it may not work. So we don't know practically how things will phase out. So the person you are with, maybe they are a blessing in disguise today, guys, for you all. So you don't know the worth of this person, or the worth of this love they have for you, or maybe some choices or offers in your career situation, something you would have simply overlooked, but it may be something truly amazing that is going to work magically or work wonders in your life, guys. But you just need the eyes to see it. You just need to be patient to see the wonderful results you are going to see in your situation. And your future is filled with whatever expectations you have, it is all going to come true in your future, guys. It is all going to phase out. So things are going to fall into place in your future, Libras. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So it is World. So in this connection, you have a sense of completeness, guys. You feel really complete, and you feel that you are what to say, having a deep connection. It may be a soul connection you are experiencing with this person, and it may be a karmic connection. That may be the reason for this depth or familiarity we see you both have in this relationship, guys. So it is what to say, a karmic bond you both share, Libras. So that may be the reason we saw with the previous cards, that this person is a blessing in disguise. This love is a blessing in disguise. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's 10 of fire. So things are going to go in a very successful way in your career situation, guys. And you are going to, what to say, see lots of offers and opportunities coming towards you, but you need to make way for something you may not, you may feel that may not be working. So something is leaving you, but in its place something much better is coming towards you, guys, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is this card, the first card. It is Celestite. So it is a crystal spirit's card, guys, and with this crystal spirit, it stands for divine energy and clear channels of communication. So maybe today you are in a circumstance you need to communicate about yourself, or you want to communicate to someone close to you about something, and today you will get angels or guides who understand you, who what to say, send you love and come with a helping attitude to help you with any specific challenges you are facing in this relationship, guys. Maybe you need clear communication, and this angels, crystal spirits, angels guidance is helping you to communicate your deep thoughts with this person. So you may get help. For some of you it may be some kind of what to say, a thought, a subconscious thought, something that comes out of on its own, something telling you. It may be like an intuition or some kind of a sign. Or for some of you it may be it may come, this angel's guidance may come through a friend or a teacher or healer who will connect you with that person with whom you need to have that open communication, guys. And this angel's guidance will come to you through strangers, or through some people whom you what to say, whom you have never met before. So you need to be really attentive, guys, to receive this guidance or help that is coming towards you. And all you need to do is just pray honestly, request honestly deep inside your heart if you need any help today, and that is going to reach you immediately, guys. So that is the energy with this card, the Celestite crystal spirit, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is building blocks. So, in our situation, guys, in our relationship today, you are moving into a very, what to say, uh, a situation where you are trying to solidify the relationship you already have, or you are attracting new relationships with where you'll be able to build a strong foundation based on honesty, clear communication, and genuine desire to understand each other. So you are, what to say, working towards laying that groundwork for this relationship where you will be able to build that firm footing that will ensure that this relationship will last, will withstand any storm that you are facing. So whatever troubles or whatever arguments or misunderstandings that may come in this relationship, you both will be able to withstand all that if you have a firm foundation built on trust, honesty, love, and clear communication. So, only that is going to make this relationship a positive working one, guys. So, for those who chose this card stands for strengthening and also repairing. Maybe you need to communicate with this person, or you need to understand them, build that strength in this connection. This is the time for that. So you both are going to be stronger, wiser, and powerful together than apart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.